In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Framer. We'll walk through the core workflow so you can confidently add elements, organize your project, manage content, and publish your site. I'll call out what each click does and share quick tips to help you work smarter as you follow along. Start by opening the Framer project titled Popular Domain. This lands you on the Canvas and main workspace. From here, head to the Insert panel. Insert is your gateway to everything you can add to the page. Frames, text, shapes, components, and more. It's where most layouts begin. Within Insert, choose Layout. Layout tools give you structured building blocks like frames and stacks that control spacing, alignment, and responsiveness. When you see a highlighted layout option, click it to drop a ready-made structure onto the canvas. This instantly gives your page a clean foundation without manual alignment. Next, select Text. Clicking text prepares a text layer so you can place headings, body copy, or labels. Text in Framer can be styled with consistent typography tokens, which helps keep your design uniform across pages. After that, click Vector. Vector tools are perfect for simple icons, arrows, or custom shapes. When the highlighted vector shape appears, click it to add it to your design and fine-tune its size and color in the right-hand panel. Open the CMS next. The CMS is where dynamic content lives. Think blog posts, team members, or product items. Clicking CMS reveals collections and fields that power repeatable sections of your site. When you see a highlighted collection or entry, click it to view its fields and structure. This is useful for binding real content to your designs later. Switch over to Pages to see your sitemap. Pages shows your routes, nested pages, and how your site is organized. Then move to Layers to inspect the hierarchy of everything on the current page. Layers help you select precisely, rename items for clarity, and group related elements. After that, open Assets. This is your library for images, media, and components. When something is highlighted, click to select it so it's ready to use. Keeping assets tidy makes updating visuals faster and reduces inconsistencies. When your updates look right, click Publish. Publish prepares your site for the web, bundles recent changes, and pushes them live to your chosen domain. Take a moment to review your settings, then confirm to go live. That's the full pass. Use Insert to add structure and elements. Connect content with CMS, keep everything organized with pages, layers, and assets, and finish with Publish. With this flow, you can build and iterate quickly in Framer while keeping your project clean and scalable.